Hi, Dr. Joe here, and we've had requests for a batting rail for the Villa 2 frame by Baby Lock and the Loft frame by Handi Quilter. So we made one that's really simple to install. It consists of these self-adhesive flange couplings, and you stick them in that U channel between the weld nuts, and they stick on there. And then you simply stick your pipe in the coupling, put your slip coupling on it, and push those two together. You can take a piece of tape, so it isn't essential, and tape that. I just used blue tape so you can see it. And then we attach our batting with these included 4 quick clamps. And then we can roll that up and make sure we don't have our batting on the floor where it gets dirty or damaged, and we don't have any wrinkles as we roll it between that quilt sandwich.